cheek.
Yeah.
We're smoothing that out. We're going to project the cheek. I want this flatter across here. And then we're going to do a little bit into the jawline to just give you a bit more of that nice contour and definition. And then just a touch, you can see, I have, which you normally get done on the nose.
Yeah.
So it's just... just across this, if we're being really fussy.
Yeah, it's just literally that bit.
A couple of little touch points here on the upper lateral cartilage, just going into the dorsal. We'll have a perfectly straight nose, but this is such a beautiful nose. I'm quite jealous. It's a nice perfect tip there. Just get rid of the shadow that occurs there. And then that's it. Keep that nice and subtle. And then we're going to start doing other fun stuff like the Morpheus 8 and some laser treatments to just make sure that we're really working with Sal's natural collagen and tightening the tissue underneath the skin to create a facelift without having to add too much fillers, because the whole point is minimum filler. Yeah.
Yes. So less filler. Okay. Because I did a mistake of getting so much filler done, and over time it stretched my skin and this and this, and now getting it dissolved, I can see the dip, so you know where we're going to work on. Okay.
Yeah. We've also got the M face, which creates the muscles as well, so we can do combinations with that as well.
Okay. I had M sculpt done on my bum ages ago, and it was really good. Like I saw a massive difference.
Yeah, we've got the M sculpt Neo as well. Bum and abs.
And I had it on my belly. Yeah.
Yeah, do you know I used to put it on my shoulders? And it made my shoulders go huge. That was good. But yeah, and the M face is the same technology, hyphen. So it's that supramaximal contractions of the muscle, but it's on your face. So the muscles in your face start to cause atrophy. So they start to drop or weaken with age. So this actually helps to lift the muscles and keep them nice and tight. So we're doing a combination of loads of things. Targeting the tissue underneath, the subcutaneous fat, tightening with the radio frequency with the Morpheus 8, the trauma of the microneedles to propagate neocollagenesis, new elastin, collagen, and then we work out your muscles as well. All of this is all natural. And then we can add a bit of filler to then just sculpt. Yeah? Awesome.